Hey all food lovers and welcome back to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll show you all how to prepare dried mackerel salad. This salad is perfect for this rainy season. So let's see how you prepare it. Heat coconut oil in a pan and fry these dried mackerels. You all can also roast these mackerels on fire. Here I have dried mackerels. I have cleaned them by cutting its head, fins and trimming its tail. Separate the flesh and discard the bones. In a bowl, add sliced onions, sliced tomatoes, deseeded and chopped green chillies, chopped coriander leaves, palm vinegar, salt and sugar. And finally add the dried fish and mix well. Serve with lunch or dinner. You all can also replace vinegar with lemon juice.
If you like this recipe, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Till then, we'll meet next time in my next video.